According to a media source from January, Samsung's Galaxy S24 series, which is scheduled to launch in 2024, would only comprise the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Ultra models. The Galaxy S24 Plus is reportedly no longer being produced by the Korean corporation. New information, however, indicates that won't be the case, as the S24 series range will contain Vanilla Plus and Ultra variants much like the S23 lineup. The information originates from Sam Mobile and Galaxy Club, who assert that the Galaxy S24 series is codenamed Muse by Samsung and that the three separate smartphone models are Muse 1, Muse 2, and Muse 3. This information suggests that the S24 range will feature a Plus version. According to the sources, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will include a telephoto camera with a 5x optical zoom, replacing the 3x telephoto unit seen on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Since the Galaxy S24 Ultra is codenamed Muse 3, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus may be called Muse 1 and Muse 2, respectively. We learned in April that Samsung will replace the 3x telephoto lens on the S24 Ultra with a single variable folding telephoto lens that has a 3 to 10x zoom range. We'll need to see more proof before we can be confident of it, but with the S24 series presentation still over 6 months away, you can anticipate hearing more about the lineup soon. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra already has one of the best cameras on the market with a primary 200-megapixel camera and space zoom that makes it stand out, but the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra could surpass the iPhone 15 Pro Max by including a 1-inch camera sensor. According to tipster platform Sam Lover, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series could get a significant performance boost. The leak reveals that Samsung could again go the Qualcomm route and its next flagship series could be powered by the rumored Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 system on chip. The iPhone 14 Pro Max currently has a 0.78-inch sensor, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max is reported to get a 0.87-inch sensor. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.